Hello Virgo, this is Eva at Mungades Oracle, and these are love messages from your person. This reading can be yours if your Sun, Moon, Rising Sign or Venus is in Virgo. And you are very welcome to my channel. I am Virgo in 5 placements, and I love to celebrate Virgo traits here and turn the bad into good if we can. But just know that you are enough and beautiful as you are right now. So Virgo, let's look into what messages are coming through from your love interest. You could be together, you could be in separation, whatever is the situation, you are thinking about this person for a reason. And let's see first, what is your energy right now or towards this person? And let's see what is your person's energy towards you. Okay, so we've got a few cards for both of you here. Yours is the mermaid with introspection and the rabbit with encouragement. Very different energies. I feel, Virgo, that this person of yours you are thinking of is very deeply affecting you emotionally. And you are scared of lots of things here, but especially to show yourself to them. Because the rabbit tends to jump away very quickly if some unexpected things happening around them. And I feel that you have a wish to connect more with your person emotionally, but you are not sure how they are going to receive it. Okay, so let's see with the Shadowscapes Tarot, what can we find out about you, Virgo? What is it that scares you? Why are you not fully able to show your emotions, or you don't feel you can? Okay, you could have told them to go away. You could have broken up with them. And now you are waiting for some positive thing to happen, for the rewards to come in for all your hard work, and you would like to bring a peace offering to this person. So you may have realized that you could have been harsh on them. Maybe it was a very confusing situation. Maybe you didn't see their side at that point, and right now you feel like, oh, it would be nice talking about this. Now, your person has 3 cards. We've got the crane, privacy. So your person is extremely private, very secretive, absolutely need to know basis. They are talking to you about anything. And it's not an easy one to crack, to have a proper communication with. There is the Otter with the inner child and the Moose with the friendship. So they are wild at heart, very much like to explore things. They are like a child in a good way, childlike. And because you cut them out, they are thinking, would it be possible to maintain a friendship with you? So both of you are trying to find a way forward. Let's see with the tarot what else we can see about your person. Yeah, that's the Knight of Cups. They can't wait to come towards you. Ace of Wands, 8 of Wands, and the 6 of Pentacles at the bottom. So your person really realizes that they didn't put enough effort in. They want to show you that they love you, and they want this whole thing to be a fully blown romantic connection, and they want to talk. They want to tell you that they know that they need to step up and put more into this connection. Very interesting. I'm loving it. Okay, so Virgo, let's use different decks to find out what your person is going to talk about, or would tell you if the two of you were in connection right now. Or it could be very well hidden at the bottom of their heart, and even if you are together, it would be very difficult for them to tell you this. So let's start with the Hidden Truth Oracle and see what your person wants to tell you, if they could. I can't stop thinking about you. I can't stop thinking about you. So that we already know. I wish I could share my good news with you, so you definitely don't talk with each other. I knew exactly what I was doing. So maybe they pissed you off. You responded with kicking them out, and now you are both drawn back towards each other. Okay, this is very straightforward, so I'm going to leave it there. Let's see from the Dark Confessions of the Soul what is showing up from your person. The Dark Confessions of the Soul. Oh, we've got lots of things straight away. So, my mask keeps me safe. I need to fake my feelings. Wow. So, they deliberately do not open up to you to protect themselves. I cannot be vulnerable with you. I rather hide in the darkness before I let you see inside of me. Yeah. If you haven't seen my twin flame reading yet, that is possibly very much connecting with this one. So I wish I could share my good news with you. It says I cannot be vulnerable with you. Okay, and the third one, no one else makes me feel the way you do, but I will take it to the grave before I tell you. So that crane, that secrecy, being very, very private, is showing. But my question is, and I always ask this, even in my own life, if someone doesn't show you emotions, they are cutting themselves off before you cut them out. So how do they expect you to know how they feel if they are not showing it? And when the two of you live together, there is a way to actually show with action rather than words what they feel. But if the two of you are not together, then you, Virgo, have no way of feeling that they love you. So this is like they are doing it to themselves. And they must break this behavior. Okay, so I'm going to use the tarot again and ask about this enormous secrecy and inability to open up. And you know, I do also believe, Virgo, that women were definitely stamped as weak and too sensitive and all of that because we show our emotions. And I honestly believe this takes so much courage to show emotions. And that's exactly what you are working up towards there. It's not easy, but we do it. And this takes lots and lots of courage. And they don't appreciate that. Yet they are the ones who cannot stand out and say, well, this is how I feel about you. So it's a very difficult situation from your perspective, Virgo. Definitely. The energies I am getting about this is the King of Swords. That's again mind. Yeah, they love you. And they may have told you, but you don't feel that love. So, yeah, I understand that men, not all men, but these distorted masculine manly men, they are governed by the cosmic mind, and women are governed by the cosmic heart. But we are both heading towards finding balance, so it's not an excuse for a man that they can't connect with their emotions. And that's the mask they deliberately wear. I cannot be vulnerable with you, but they actually have the Fool card here. So they might just feel like I want to share something with Virgo. And there is the Hierophant. No one else makes me feel the way you do. So the Hierophant is higher learning. They want to feel how you make them feel. But they know in order to do that, they have to show some emotions. So it's like they are being trapped by themselves. Yeah, and look at this. There is the Ten of Wands. Living this way, in a way that they were brought up, the perception that they are carrying about the world and how a man's supposed to be is affecting them very much. So it puts so much heavy burden on their shoulders. Ace of Pentacles. They want to bring you an offer. The Empress. They adore you. They admire who you are. And I don't think anyone ever in this lifetime made them feel like this. King of Wands, they want to take action. The Wheel of Fortune, they believe there can be a positive change here. And Page of Swords, they are watching you. Okay. There definitely need to be some kind of action here, because if they don't show you how they feel, then this is going to be very difficult. And I know a few of you who are dealing with this kind of energy. You know that the person is valuable you are with, but you are not getting what you need. And this can be quite dangerous. Okay, so let's go to the heart-to-heart messages and see what else is showing up from your love interest. It is all too much. I know I am very feisty today, but Spirit is pushing my buttons today. So, you know what I also feel, especially about this, it is all too much. Women were forced to exist in a society which is led by masculine values. And we didn't get recognized. We were judged for our emotions, our sensitivity, and we are like a second-hand citizen because we are different from the masculine. And we have been enduring this for a long time, and that causes low self-esteem in many people and so much more. And now the feelings are too much for the masculine. Wow, it's not good, is it? When you are forced to be in a situation which is uncomfortable. So it's what I am feeling about this. What is the truth? Why is it that you love me? Okay, I feel these are all the same thing. So it is too much. What is the truth? Why you love me? Sexual desire. Don't treat me the way you do. I don't deserve it. The heat between us is intense and I am blocked. Okay. So I am creating 3 groups here. The first one is, it is all too much. What is the truth? Why is it that you love me? So they feel that they can't give you what you need. So why are you still around? And this sexual desire is just so intense between the two of you. The two of you are being pulled towards each other for a reason. And I am blocked. Don't treat me the way you do. I don't desire it. So this is like when you are telling the truth, Virgo, it can be very blunt. But Virgos definitely choose to hear the truth, even if it hurts. And many other people choose not to say the truth, just lurking around, hiding behind other things. And this is an ego response here. So you said something, they felt it hurt, and instead of saying, oh, I might need to address that, they are pushing it back on you. But they know they are blocked, so at least they are aware of that. So this person is not just shut down emotionally, but their ego self is very combative, and also they try to understand this situation, which is a good thing. Let's ask about this. Why is it that you love me? Why are they at all asking this question? 5 of Wands, 3 of Cups, 9 of Swords reversed, and the Chariot. So they find it flattering that you want to be with them, and also that the two of you are like-minded. So in a way, the two of you are really brought together, not just sexually, but emotionally as well. And they are not worried anymore about anything, really. They want to keep moving forward, but they want to understand, why are you still here? Because it's almost like, I pushed you away, I hurt you so many times, I can't give you what you want, but you are still here. So they want to know what is the truth. And that is the Moon reversed. 4 of Pentacles at the bottom. So the truth is that I feel they are not scared of, I should say, losing you, but they don't know how to prevent losing you, if it makes any sense. And they really are not just flattered by your attention, but also you excite them, because you are unpredictable. They can't read you. They can't predict what is the next steps you are going to take. And that is making it like I possibly shouldn't say game, but something intriguing, something that they want more of. And they are not afraid of rejection anymore. And they definitely want you sexually. Yeah, you are one of a kind for them. And I feel that you are starting to break that very hard shell of them. Maybe it's just cracking a tiny, tiny bit. But this is surprising to them. This is something they never experienced. That's all I can say here. So let's ask the Romance Angels what they have to say for you, Virgo, in this situation. Your person definitely wants to come back to you. They want to bring you an offer. They want a new beginning with you. The question is that, do you really want this the way it is? And what we get is unrequited feelings. There is not enough love to keep this relationship going in a healthy way. Yeah, so what's happening on your person's side could be seen as toxic masculinity. And these unrequited feelings could be like you just met and sparks were flying and none of you could do anything about this. It just came out of the blue. Let go of the need to control. Allow this situation to unfold naturally. So Virgo, I just remind you here that we tend to attract people to us who need healing. But it can be really daunting, is the word? After a while, when you get a series of love interests who you just feel you need to fix, and you're forever doing that. I believe that we all deserve to have a not so damaged person. We are all damaged. Not so damaged person to come to be with us. So that's why this feels a little bit dangerous for you, Virgo, because yes, they adore you. Yes, it's intriguing. You love them for a reason, but is it true love on their side, or is it more of this, yes, the sexual attraction and like their mind is being stimulated, you keep them on their toes. So what is it really? And they do ask, what is the truth? So they don't know. And that's what we are going to find an answer for in the extended. Whether this person has true feelings for you, or you are really just one in the many who they have been with. I'm so sorry, it doesn't sound very nice, but that's what is showing up. So, to sum it up, Virgo, you both are very much interested in reconnecting. There is lots of passion here. Your person is definitely not the one to show emotions. Is that enough for you? That's the question. So, thank you so much for being here, Virgo. Liking, sharing, subscribing, and commenting. If you wish to have a personal reading or coaching session with me, please get in touch. Also visit my website and sign up to my newsletter if you want. And I am looking forward to seeing you very soon. Bye for now.